Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. I have good news for you. There's going to be a piano summit for beginners worldwide, and I want you to be a part of it. If you are a beginner, this is your opportunity to learn a whole lot of things. And the dates of this program is going to be coming out. It's going to be a live streaming so that you can ask questions, you can interact, and then learn a lot as a beginner and know how to improve upon your play. So if you're watching this video, I want you to share the link and then this video to others so that they can subscribe to the channel, so that when I release the dates for the program, they can be able to participate. Thank you and see you soon.